Good morning, my YouTube people. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, what I'm gonna do is go out to the BMW and check the fluids on it and review some of the maintenance things that it needs and stuff. It's been a long summer and I know that some of the fluids may need to be topped off. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take care of all that. So without further ado, let me go ahead and get my tools, get my butt outside. My assistant here is also going to be helping me. Alright guys, so now here we got the N52 motor. So what I'm going to do is check the water fluids. I'm going to check the power steering, and then also I'm going to go inside and digitally check the oil level. For that we're going to have to get the car warmed up, and then I'll show y'all how to check it. This car doesn't have a dipstick like the old cars. First off, I'm going to untwist the cap here. Alright, so this little deal here, it floats in there. There's a little ball right here that's supposed to be lined up evenly with the rim over here, and if it's low like that, that means you need fluid. But right now the fluid level is okay. Let me show you what type of fluid it takes, because you just can't put any radiator fluid in. Alright, this is the water fluid that I run on my car. If you see here, this is specially made for BMW, Mercedes, Benz, Mini, Tesla, and Volvo. It has to be a European antifreeze coolant. So it's diluted, pre-diluted with 50% antifreeze and 50% distilled water. So fluids are okay on the car. So let's go check the power steering. And just real quick guys, if your car ever gets leaves and stuff that fall in between the fender and the firewall, make sure you clean them out, because over time what it does is that rain gets in there and then it starts turning into like a mud, and that right there rusts out your inner your fenders and your frame, and that's no good. BMW has a it's like a plastic catch that catches all of this, so from time to time it's a good idea to clean all of this out. These are what I'm talking about right here. Alright, let's check the power steering. Alright, here we go. Alright, the fluid seems to be okay, at an okay level. Yeah, I may need to get this serviced here soon though. I need to change out, I need to flush the power steering fluids. Alright, let me go ahead and close this up. And also guys, in the episode where I flush the power steering fluid, what I'm going to do is go ahead and see what's going on here, because it looks like it got the leak, and then it's also, you know, getting all nasty. We're gonna go ahead and clean all of that up. Alright, like I said, to check the engine oil level, you have to turn on the car and let it run and get up to temperature. How about that cold start? To check your oil level, you're going to go to this little lever over here that handles your blinking. In the front here, you have a little lever that goes up and down that controls the digital dash. So you're going to press down and you're going to go to the icon that has the oil. Alright, from there you're going to push this little button that says BC. I'm going to push it, and there you go. It tells you how much oil is in the car, and if it'll focus, as you can see, mine is set at the max. Okay, so that's how you check your oil level. Alright guys, so like I said, it was pretty hot this summer. Now that it's getting cool, it's gonna be a lot more favorable weather to record videos and stuff. But yeah, well anyways, this car right here, it's my daily. This is what I drive to and from work and stuff. It needs a lot of maintenance, like suspension, like I said, changing the fluids and stuff like that. I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, record my progress doing that. Oil changes, air filters, all that good stuff, fuel filter. So yeah, suspension parts, it really needs a lot of suspension parts, new tires, you know. It's a pretty good car. The BMW 328i, the N52 motor, it's basically a tank, man. Bulletproof. These cars will last you a long time if you really put the time and effort and the maintenance in them to keep them going. Well, alright guys, well I'm just gonna make this little short video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.